Potatoes are rewarding to grow, and with a few easy adjustments, you can create the ideal conditions for them to thrive. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced grower, these techniques will help you get the best results. Here are a few steps that will give your potato plants the support they need to flourish. The first step is to remove any weeds from the potato bed. While it may seem like a small task, this is essential because weeds can take over quickly, competing with your potato plants for valuable nutrients, water, and sunlight. When weeds are left to grow, they can crowd out your plants, weakening their growth and even spreading pests or diseases. By clearing the bed of weeds, you create an open, clean environment where the potatoes can grow without struggling for resources. This small effort goes a long way toward giving your plants the room they need to expand underground and develop strong, healthy tubers. Once we've cleared the weeds, the next step is to add soil to the base of the potato plants, a process called hilling. Potatoes grow best when they are gradually covered with soil as they grow taller. As you see the stems rising, you can start hilling by gently adding soil around the plants to form small mounds or hills. This process is crucial because potatoes grow underground, and if the tubers are exposed to sunlight, they can turn green and become toxic. Hilling helps prevent this by covering the developing tubers with enough soil, shielding them from sunlight and reducing the risk of green. Unsafe potatoes. The extra soil around the plants also provides insulation, keeping the tubers cool and helping to maintain a consistent temperature, which is essential for their growth. After hilling, we'll add a slow-releasing fertilizer to provide the plants with a steady supply of nutrients. Potatoes are known to be heavy feeders, meaning they require a lot of nutrients to grow properly. A balanced, slow-releasing fertilizer blend will support them as they mature, without the risk of overwhelming them with too many nutrients all at once. We'll prepare a special mix that's ideal for potatoes by combining 50% compost and 50% loamy soil. To make this mixture even more beneficial, we'll add 1 cup of bone meal and 1 cup of neem cake powder. Bone meal is a natural source of phosphorus, which is especially helpful for root and tuber development. This means that bone meal supports the formation of strong, well-developed potato tubers, which are the most important part of the plant for us. Neem cake powder, on the other hand, acts as a natural pest deterrent, helping to protect your potato plants from pests that could damage the roots or tubers. It also adds organic matter to the soil, further boosting the nutrient content and improving soil health over time. Together, these ingredients create a powerful fertilizer blend that provides steady, balanced nutrition. Once this nutrient-rich mixture is prepared, we'll spread it over the mounds of soil around each potato plant. By adding this mixture to the hills, we ensure that the roots have access to all the nutrients they need as they grow. The nutrients in the compost, bone meal, and neem cake will slowly release into the soil, supporting the plants over time without the need for frequent reapplication. This blend also improves the soil's ability to retain moisture while maintaining good drainage, which is critical for potatoes. Potatoes need moist soil to grow, but waterlogged conditions can cause rot. By using this mix, we create a balanced environment where the soil holds enough moisture to prevent the plants from drying out, while allowing excess water to drain away, reducing the risk of rot. This final layer of nutrients also helps to further insulate the tubers, maintaining stable temperatures around the root zone. The balance of nutrients and moisture is perfect for healthy, strong potato plants, leading to a better yield. This step-by-step care not only ensures a plentiful harvest, but also enhances the flavor of the potatoes, making them more delicious and satisfying. By following these simple steps, removing weeds, hilling soil around the plants, and adding a balanced slow-release fertilizer blend, you can grow an abundant crop of high-quality potatoes. With just a little effort, these methods create the perfect environment for potatoes to thrive.